What is a relationship? A relationship is someone that comes into your life and they do one of four things. They either add, subtract, divide, or multiply. What is a relationship? Someone that comes into your life, they do one of four things. They either add, subtract, divide, or multiply. Why would you want to be hanging out with people who are subtracting from your life, you're subtracting from their life, and through this subtraction comes division? Why would you want to hang out with a crew like that? Why would you not want to hang out with people where you're adding to their life, they're adding to your life, and through this addition comes multiplication? What am I really saying to you? I'm saying to you, brothers and sisters, please hear me on this. Don't spend major time with minor people. People doing nothing want you to do nothing with them. People going nowhere want you to go nowhere with them. If you want to change your life, change your relationships. If you're earning $50,000 a year, take inventory of your 5 closest friends. That's about what they're earning. And you're not going to earn a penny more until you start hanging out with people that are earning $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 a year. Because you see, there's a system for everything in the world. I tell young brothers and sisters this all the time. I say, when I speak in high schools, if you're getting C's and D's, all you know how to get is C's and D's, because there's a system for getting a C. It's a different system than getting an A. So if you want to get A's, you got to hang out with people who are getting A's and then copy their system. So if you're making $40,000 or $50,000 a year, but really desire to earn $100,000 a year, well, then you have to hang out with people who are earning $100,000 a year and copy their system. But if you took inventory of your 5 closest friends, you could find out what they're earning about what you're earning. They have about as much education as you have. So you have to fix that. Friends are critically important because it's God's way of apologizing for your relatives. You can pick your friends, but you cannot pick your relatives.